Hey guys, I just had a field day. Comment down below if you see me. And yeah, we're gonna get to.
Did you have a good time at the water park last night? Is that where you went over to go?
Yeah.
Yeah. The bunny park was
That's my
closed,
sister.
so we had to go to Tiny.
I don't know what to do. We're gonna get back to my house. Focus, camera, focus. Yeah.
Did everybody get water and chips?
I don't know.
Yep.
Oh no. I'm gonna record when I'm eating.
I had to change
a
my shirt.
snack.
My shirt
And-
bled through.
All that
I'm
right.
gonna,
I told him
I'm gonna
something
pause it
like,
until I
"Why
get
don't you
there
do
and
this?"
eat a snack.
Why is it green
Right
bled?
now we're here.
Different markets, I guess.
Yep.
Oh, careful. Sure. You okay?
That
Let me
spiked
go into
me.
the kitchen.
That spiked me. Don't worry about that stuff. Some kind of plant just spiked me. There, I got my flash on. Here. This is my grandma's house. I was lying about this being my house. Yeah. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna pause it until I get a snack. Hey guys, I'm back. And yeah, I forgot to say peace. I'm not gonna say it right now. I'm gonna eat a peanut butter sandwich and jam, and always peace. While I get there. Hey guys, I'm back. This is my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. You can get me a barrel. There's a barrel. I'm gonna eat it. Comment down below saying, or just comment anything. Comment anything you want. Comment anything. Comment saying stuff. Please comment, please, or else I won't make no videos anymore. If you don't subscribe, subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you never miss a video, and comment, please. If I don't see no comments, I'm not gonna make no videos. Just kidding, that's a prank. I will go make more videos, but if you don't have to comment. Who cares if people comment? So good. Sorry. Sorry for the background noise. So good. After school. Oh, can you eat me more? And yeah, guys. cook the bread. Focus. It's not focusing. When something gets so very close up to it, it does not focus. There we go. Focusing. I think so. And guys, that's a video. And always, peace.